Alrighty, folks. It's a little late, a little overdue, but I hope that y'all seen that short I did yesterday or a little while ago, or whatever it is about tying a knot. Uh, just kind of want to get here and just do the long version of it. Just kind of show you what I got going here. I believe it's called a Halverson's knot. Is that right? Is that the name? I think that's the name for the knot. I found it on accident, but I found the actual name of it. But we got a new mic today since I sent my other mic through the washer today. But we're going a little more high tech off of Amazon. It's clipped to my shirt here, and hopefully I'm not muffling it out. But hopefully the quality's good. There's some settings I probably got to mess with, but let's just hop in here. I just got some nylon rope here that I'm going to mess with here today, and I'm just going to show you how to do that knot again. It's pretty easy to undo, but you can't get it undone by hanging from it. So first, when I kind of start out like that, this is great for if you break a lead rope, with your horse, or if you're climbing a tree, because I've snapped a rope and then ended up done this knot and then done the rest of the day. This knot will get you by. It'll save you too. But poke her through just like that, get you a decent bite going right there. You can always shorten that up like so, about a foot. But I just come over here like this, go over again, and then I just poke this working in right through there. I'm trying to do this as slowly as possible and give her a tug where she's good and tight. Now you can hang from that thing. I got nothing to hang from in here, but that knot ain't gonna come undone. It's not easily undone either. You got to work at this to get it undone. Different materials will slip more than others. I think this polyester nylon blends and stuff, I think they slip just a little bit more. But I mean, you can take a run and jump at that, and that ain't gonna pop. That rope ain't gonna pop either. But I suggest something a little bit bigger than that for a lead rope. That's 3/8, I think, but just more of a demonstration that I got going on here. It's not easily undone because it knots up pretty good, especially with this 3-strand braid nylon, and you pop a knot on top of that. But it's not easily done, but I'll just show you again for you lefties. We can go the other way too. We can go this way. Go like that. Go like that. And like that. You ain't gonna break that. But anyway, I hope that helps everybody. So see you on the next one.